When you search for cheap bandsaws, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1. DeWalt 20V Max Bandsaw. The DeWalt 20V Max Bandsaw caught my attention right away with its sleek design and impressive 5-inch cutting capacity. Priced at $299, it's positioned as a top-tier portable solution. If you want reliable performance for deep cuts, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this DeWalt model stands out. The 5-inch cutting capacity means you can tackle a variety of materials, whether you're cutting metal or wood. The integrated hang hook is super handy for storage without damaging the saw. And that LED work light? It genuinely surprised me how much it helps in low light conditions. Plus, the tool-less blade changing lever makes switching blades a breeze, saving you time on the job. With a 4.8-star rating from over 1,700 reviews, it's clear that this tool has won the trust of many users. Now, some people complained about the price being a bit high compared to others. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about your projects and need durability and performance, this investment pays off in the long run. This is perfect for you if you're a serious DIYer or a professional looking for a reliable tool. Skip this one if you're just starting and want something very basic. At this price point, you're getting solid value for a quality tool. Now, if the price of the DeWalt bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, WN Portable Bandsaw for Metal. The WN Portable Bandsaw for Metal is an eye-catcher with its sleek black and orange design and a price tag of just $129.27. If you need portability and versatility without breaking the bank, this is definitely worth a look. This saw has a huge cutting capacity, letting you cut up to 5 inches wide and deep, which is impressive for a handheld model. The powerful 10-amp motor can glide through metal and plastics with ease, making it perfect for various projects. Plus, the variable speed operation lets you adjust the blade speed from 60 to 420 feet per minute, giving you complete control over your cuts. With a 4.6-star rating from 1,000 reviews, users appreciate its lightweight design, weighing just 14.5 pounds, making it easy to handle. However, some users mentioned that the blade tensioning lever can be a bit finicky. Here's the thing. While this might frustrate some, if you're careful during setup, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a lightweight, portable saw from metal and plastic. Skip this one if you're mainly working with heavy wood. You get fantastic value for money here. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need high performance on a budget. Product number 3, Weber Portable Bandsaw. Next up is the Weber Portable Bandsaw, priced at $179.90. This one really grabbed my attention with its robust features and ergonomic design. If you're looking for a solid portable option with a good cutting capacity, this is definitely worth considering. With a cutting capacity of up to 5 inches and a powerful 10-amp pure copper motor, the Weber can handle metal, PVC, and wood with ease. The variable cutting speed ranges from 137.8 to 472.4 feet per minute, ensuring smooth cuts without sparks. The ergonomic design allows for better balance and comfort during use, which is crucial for longer projects. Plus, it's easy to switch between angles with its removable alloy steel base. Users have rated it 4.4 stars from nearly 600 reviews, highlighting its performance. Now, some users pointed out that the instructions for assembly could be clearer. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, it's pretty straightforward. This is perfect for you if you want an ergonomic bandsaw that's versatile for different materials. Skip this one if you're looking for something with a larger cutting capacity. For the price, it really delivers. Now, if the ergonomics of the Weber intrigued you, the next option might bring even more power to your workshop. Product number 4. Milwaukee Electric M12 Compact Bandsaw. The Milwaukee Electric M12 Compact Band saw comes in at $231 and immediately stands out with its compact and lightweight design. If you're looking for something cordless and easy to handle, this one's worth checking out. This bandsaw has a maximum cutting capacity of 2.5 inches, which might seem small, but it's ideal for tight spaces. The 12V battery offers a decent runtime, making it great for on-the-go projects. With a maximum speed of 570 feet per minute and a 5-year warranty, it's built to last. Plus, the integrated work light helps illuminate your cuts, which is a nice touch. Rated at 4.8 stars from about 261 reviews, users appreciate its portability and efficiency. However, the battery is sold separately, which some users found frustrating. Here's the thing, if you already have Milwaukee tools and batteries, this won't be an issue for you. This is perfect for you if you need a portable saw for small jobs in tight spaces. Skip this one if you require larger cutting capabilities. It's a solid investment for the convenience it offers. Alright, let's wrap up with our last product that might just be the best value for budget-conscious shoppers. Product number 5, WEN bandsaw with stand. Finally, we have the WEN bandsaw with stand, priced at $229.34. This one really caught my eye with its solid construction and additional features. If you want a stationary option that still fits your budget, this is a great choice. This saw boasts a 3.5 amp motor that creates cuts up to 6 inches deep and 9 3/4 inches wide. Using 72-inch blades, it operates at 2 speeds of 1520 or 2620 FPM, offering versatility for different projects. The large cast aluminum work table can bevel up to 45 degrees, which is a fantastic feature for angle cuts. With a 4.4-star rating from over 348 reviews, users love its stability and ease of use. However, some found it a bit bulky for smaller workspaces. Here's the thing, if you have the space and need a solid, reliable saw for heavier projects, this is worth it. This is perfect for you if you want a stationary bandsaw for various cutting tasks. Skip this one if you're tight on space and need something portable. You're getting excellent value for a quality machine here. So, to recap, the DeWalt is fantastic for deep cuts. The WEN portable bandsaw offers great portability. The Vever is ergonomically designed. The Milwaukee Electric provides cordless convenience. And the WEN bandsaw with stand gives you stability for serious projects. Each of these options has its strengths depending on your needs and budget, so you can't go wrong with any of them.